All right, so on Monday we went to DePuy down in Cork on our way back from Cork going to Galway. And so we got to see their company. Their company that focuses on orthopedic implants mostly, at least at this facility for sure. So they do things like hip replacements, knee replacements, and shoulder joints. And I'm gonna let my team talk about what we saw and did.
So before touring the manufacturing plant, we had to get special equipment just for safety purposes. We had steel-toed boots, which looked really great, and safety glasses. And when we got down onto the actual manufacturing floor, there were areas that required like earplugs and different things like that just for the safety of the people. But it was nice that they allowed us to use their gear so we could get kind of a more hands-on approach to the actual floor and get to see really what they were doing.
Yeah, so as Caitlin just mentioned, they had earplugs, and one thing that was really cool about the earplugs is they were in little kind of gumball dispensers, so you just like twisted a little knob and out came the earplugs, so it was kind of fun. It's kind of like you're in a candy shop or something. And then it was really cool being able to actually walk through manufacturing and hear how loud it was and really experience it, see all the different processes that they have.
One of the cool things about the plant that's still up and coming, they have a giant wind turbine out behind their plant. They're still working on it, trying to get it connected to all the systems in the plant, but when it's done, it's supposed to provide half of the power for the plant. And it's part of an initiative in the area with a lot of other wind turbines, so it wasn't just DePuy doing this, it was, I believe, Cork as well, different companies were also involved in that. So that was neat how they're trying to become more energy efficient and help the environment in that way.
And they also told us a lot about their devices while we were walking through the manufacturing floor and also while we were talking up in the conference room. And one of the things that I found really cool is that they're starting to apply an HA coating, which is a bone growth promotion coating to their implants, which will help people heal faster as well as provide a sturdier artificial joint.
And what was great about the presenter, he actually showed, compared to the other meetings we had with other companies, he actually directly told us that he wants Purdue graduates or even Purdue interns or co-ops to work with him, as well as even work with DePuy in Warsaw. And he was even really, it sounded he was very excited to even like make it so like he could do a co-op where he would have a co-op work for him one term and then work for Warsaw the next term and then come back maybe in the third term and work for him again. And he really wanted to have this integration between DePuy and Purdue, and I found that very encouraging. And even though I'm already doing a co-op, but for the future relationship of Purdue and DePuy.